Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll discuss the first problem of Leetcode BiWeekly contest 81. The problem name is Count Asterisks. It's an easy level problem. So the problem says that we are given a string where two consecutive vertical bars are grouped into a pair. In other words, the first and second bar make a pair, the third and fourth bar make a pair, and so on. Now we need to return the number of asterisks in S, excluding the asterisks which are between a pair. Okay, so also one bar can basically contribute to just one pair. Okay, now let's try to see what the problem says. So the problem says we are given a string, suppose A, B, C, asterisk, then we have a bar, asterisk, D, C, bar, asterisk, asterisk, Z, something like this. Okay, let's take one more bar and then one more bar here also. So what this question says is that, so this is the first bar, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, right? So basically first and second make a pair, third and fourth make a pair. If we have fifth or sixth, that will make a pair, and so on. Okay, so we need to return the count of all the asterisks which are not belonging to any pair. Like for example, in this one we'll return the asterisks which are present here plus the number of asterisks that are present here, and so on, right? We will not include any asterisk which are present between a particular pair, any of the pair, right? So this is the question. So again, this is an implementation based question, nothing fancy. In the code, what we have done is that we have taken a variable that whether it's a valid pair or not. So this basically variable tells us whether we are traversing a valid pair or not. So initially this has a value false. Okay, we start traversing, this has a value false, and when it is false, we keep on incrementing our answer. Okay, so the answer will become 1, then it will become 2. Now as soon as we arrive to a bar, we switch the value, so it becomes true. Okay, now it will keep on moving and until and unless it finds the next bar. Okay, and as soon as it finds the next bar, again it is switched to false, right? So again it keeps on traversing, and as soon as it finds a bar, we switch it, it again becomes true. So that means the value of this variable is becoming true at the starting of a pair, and it is true until the pair ends, right? So we will do this, and by the time we traverse the whole string, so whenever we find an asterisk, if the value is false, that is valid pair is false, we just increment our answer. Okay, now let's look into the implementation. So here we can see again basic stuff on line number 4 is valid pair equals to false. We have started traversing the string, and as told in the explanation, we are switching the variable as soon as we get a bar. And on line number 9 we can see that if the current character is a star, and if it's a valid pair, that means if valid pair equals to false, then all we need to do is that we need to increment our answer, and then finally we will return our answer. Okay, so yeah, a basic problem, I would say. Hope you learned something new from this video. Please do support it by giving up a thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel, and take care. Bye bye, see you in the next